Cabinet Minister and NPP leader Rakam-e-Sangma has asserted that the recently held Lok Sabha elections for Shillong and Tura parliamentary seat was tough and unexpected, but the NPP is hopeful of winning the seats with a small margin. Asked about the reason for the party's fear of winning the polls with a smaller margin, Sangma said that all the TMC supporters have supported the Congress candidate for reasons best known to them, and it appeared that the TMC has already given up the fight.
TMC supporters has supported Congress candidate for the reason best known to them. I don't know why TMC has given up fight. So like this opposition parties supporters, like especially TMC supporters, who went back to vote for Congress for the reason best known to them. So this was one of the reasons. But however, there's a multiple issue was there, and especially the main wrong, misleading propaganda using the religious sentiment is something that has been very seriously the matter of concern.